Hello. Today I want to talk about universal truth. There are many truths about our universe, and they are all relative truths. Time keeps going by, all perishes, change is never ending. These truths about our universe are all relative truths of the relative field. The whole created world, the infinity of universes, this is the relative plane of life. But there is absolute truth that lies beyond the relative plane of life. Maharishi teaches in the tradition of the ancient Vedic masters out of India, a tradition that is thousands of years old and has stood the test of time. He teaches that the truth of all truths is divine being. Divine being is the absolute truth of the absolute field of life. That field is unbounded, unlimited, unmanifest, and never changing. The relative field, on the other hand, is a field of phenomenal appearances, ever changing, bounded by space, time, and causation. There is so much activity in the relative field, with all the goings on and all the thoughts of our mind, that other reality of life, that is absolute divine being, is hidden or covered. Divine being is the essential constituent of the relative field, and it is your essential nature. Our purpose here as human beings is to realize divine being and to live it in our lives. So, how can you realize divine being? You need a meditation practice with a technique that allows you to transcend the relative field, to go beyond the field of creation, to go beyond the subtlest thoughts of your mind. And then the experience is of divine being by itself, referring to itself. This experience of divine being transforms you. It brings an expansion to your mind, an expansion of happiness and fulfillment. This is your purpose in life, to expand all the way to the infinite, all possibilities of divine being, that is universal God, that is yourself. Divine being is the absolute truth of truth. It is the end-all and be-all, and it is the cause of all causes. accomplish your purpose in life. Realize divine being in your meditation practice and live it here in the world. Thank you, beloved Guru. All glory be to thee.